G'day everybody, it's perDrA, and I just want to, it's July here. It's hot, it's cruddy, it's, it's beautiful. But the garden is doing really quite well. I mean, these anemones are fabulous. The Aurelia back here is spectacular. And oh, the pineapple lilies look wonderful. And look at these beautiful painted ferns. But quite truthfully, there's a lot of junk now in the garden. What was beautiful at one time is not so beautiful anymore. So just let me quickie, this will be quickie and how to be a gardener, so to speak. Be brutal. So these are some wonderful old wood poppies. And I'm just going to come in here with my trusty secateurs here. And I'm cutting everything back. And I'll get rid of this later. Don't worry about this stuff. It will come back beautifully. But to me, it's just a big mess. And what I want to do is clean it out sort of like this, so that I'll come in with some annuals or something and put some color in. This is July. All the box stores and the garden centers have things on sale now. Plants they can't sell, hey, I'll be there tomorrow. But again, be brutal. I had irises. They're up to the sky. Sun's not so good here, sorry, but I've cut them all back. The irises are going to be just fine next year. Sometimes we worry that we have to let them all go brown and cruddy on their own. Well, I don't have a garden, so I can look at brown and cruddy things. So I do that, and you can do the same if you wish. So I just want to show you this. Here's some beautiful lilies. Look at that. They're spectacular. But the foliage isn't so pretty. So I just take my hand, if I can, and I go up and down, and I pull these things off. Why? Because I don't like them. Do I have to? Heck no. So, where I had a whole lot of dead leaves, hold on, I'm getting there, I'm dying here. But where I had a whole lot of dead leaves, well, now I got a green stem. Okay? So the lily all of a sudden looks better. So this is gardening. This is what we do. It's never a passive thing. It is always just something going on. But if you like doing it like I do, that's not a big deal. And I'm happy to share it with you. So let's go gardening. Let's have a ball. But let's clean up a little bit. And cleanup goes on, all season. Okay, all the best. See you soon.